p.m. Central Standard Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located from near Krugerville to Louisville, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Satch Sea, Addison, Lake Dallas, Lake Louisville, Little Elm. This includes Interstate 35E between mile markers 446 and 464. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Standard Time for North Central Texas.